So I have to start all over. I just did an entire test recording, or an entire 3 video series for you, and didn't check to see if my microphone was turned on. Fuck me. Anyway, I'm gonna start from the beginning. Kind of ticked that I'm that stupid. But anyway, what we're gonna need is for all of this, like I explained in my first 3 goddamn videos, what you're gonna need is basically set up an Android cracking folder. All you're gonna need is WinZip or 7-zip. WinRAR actually works better. WinRAR is 7-zip. And just set up a Unity modding folder because 90% of Android games anymore are Unity engine based. So just set up a games folder. I'm going to open up Racing Rivals because it's what I'm most familiar with. And I'm going to show you how to get the APK, get the stuff out of the APK. The APK is the installer file. It's basically like an executable installer file or an MSI on Windows. And that's all you really need to know. So first you're going to need an APK downloader. And you're going to need the link from the App Store. I like to use APK Pure or Downloader APK because they both work. The top one doesn't seem to work anymore. You can go on the Play Store and look for the app you want to hack and just copy the URL here, or you can just go com.cgames.racingrivals, for example, if you know the folder name. Hit search, Racing Rivals, click download APK. That's all you need to know. Now from there you want to put the APK, you want to keep 2 copies of it. I have a backup of it right here, plus, all of these motherfuckers. So you're going to go in and you're going to want to open up the APK with WinRAR 7-zip, assets bin data manage. This is the only folder that's really important besides the splash image that we can actually edit out here. I just put my signatures directly on the image, it's easier. But what you're going to want is to extract all those. You're going to want to extract all of them so .NET Reflector knows what to look for on the imports. And then just make a backup too. It doesn't hurt. Now, you're going to want to open up this one. This one has the primarily all the coding to Racing Rivals in it. Open that up, and what I'm going to show you is, first, this is the basic tutorial. You already know about Reflexil, I'm sure. Just go to reflexil.net. Open up .NET Reflector, go Tools, go Add-ins, hit the plus sign once you extract it to the add-ins folder and add it through here. Now you're going to want to open it. If you already have Reflexil, update it because 2.0 came out and you need 2.0 for what we're doing. So you're going to want to now go into, what I'm going to show you is a basic hack called All Cars in Showroom for Racing Rivals. This is very basic. It's just go is purchasable. Once you open it, the root directory of the DLL is always the dash, and that's primarily where all the coding is for most games. Select these 2, delete them, just hold shift to select multiples. Edit, ldc.i4.1 is true. ldc.i4 is an int32, so if you have anything that's above 8 or lower than -1, just do ldc.i4, select int32, and then type the decimal number in here. So like if you want to do a number 936, int32 936. But hit update. That sets this to always true. That's all you need to know. Now, if you want to do something that's like a integer that has, you want an unlimited amount of that specific item. Doing boost is a particular example. Go to get boost, left, delete, ldc.i4, int32, 69. Now I will always have 69 of these. I can set this to true, so it's always true. Duh. ldc.i4.1. Now it's always true, and when it comes to boost, you have to set has bought boost to always true, or the game will think you never have. That's all you need. That's the basics. Very, very, very basic. You can do a lot more with this, but about 60% of Racing Rivals hacks, or any Android hacks for Unity-based games, are going to be simple integer edits and true-false edits in this specific way. Sometimes you will be able to go in and you will find something, let's say, the best one is going to be inventory paint. Something like this. Let's say you want to modify it and make an item useful on the car. You can go all of them and then just delete. This will make it so you can do all paints on any car from the inventory, which you get paints in the inventory via mystery boxes on Racing Rivals, which you have to pay for, which sucks. But let's say those are the only hack features you want. Save it, make a folder like VIP, make another folder, title it whatever the features are, and then just save it. I'm going to make the next video because it'll be pretty easy from here, but it'll be a little bit more advanced. What I'll show you, how much time is into this video? Not much. You know what? Screw it. This is a little bit more advanced example of modifying via opcode. This is the long way. We're not going to do it the long way, but as one of my old computer teachers told me, always learn the basics first. And this is heavy, this is advanced basic. So what we're going to do is, instead of deleting and editing, we're going to create new. We want to add a new argument. Long story short, on update physics time, this function is called 30 times a second because the game is 30 frames per second. So basically what you want to do is ld_arg.0, and you want to do it at the bottom because this is within this. And once green light started, this is auto launch, by the way. Once you have green light started, really? People are texting me out the wazoo. But anyway, green light started means 3, 2, 1, green light, go. So basically you're going to want to do a call vert, which call virtuals are call late bound methods on an object, pushing the return value to the evaluation stack. I don't know what any of that means. You're calling the start of a function. So you want to set it to a method and you're getting something. This is for a get function, which you open up abstract race, since that's the one you're in, and you grab race controls view. You want the get, not the set. Get gets it, set something to it. Insert after selection, do another ld_arg.0, insert after selection, call vert method. Now you can go to race controls view, which just type like race on the keyboard and you'll find it. And you're going to want launch button down. And that's literally all you need for auto launch. So what you can do from here is you go right click here, go update reflector object, open it back up. No! Open it, open it, open it, and auto launch is done. Next video I will show you the fast way to do this. This method is outdated. It's not really needed unless you're modifying functions that I will explain further in the next video. But some functions are going to have these special characters, and we can't modify these within the method that I'm going to show you, which is replace all code. We can't do anything with that. So some functions you still need to modify via opcode. We can't do everything by replace all with code. But that's what the next video is about, and I'll show you that in the next tutorial, which this is only 3 videos. It won't be hard. But yeah, that's it.